Did you find Mama's hair tie? Are you taking it away? Can I have it? Can I take the hair tie? Ow! Let's see if we can play with it. Ow! Callie's coming to see what's going on. Yeah, you don't want it unless I grab it, huh? Oh, there you go. She's getting it. Oh, are you taking it away? Taking it to the bedroom? Okay.